Hi, I'm Mario. After the meetings, the worst part for me isn't the meeting itself, it's figuring out what actually matters, what was decided, what do I need to follow up, and what can I just ignore. Instead of reading transcript, I just do one thing. Let me show you how I use Notta AI Chat in my daily work. So first of all, I'm going to the Notta Dashboard, and you can upload the recordings here or just record meetings directly with Notta. To make it easy, I already have a meeting here, so I just open that. You can see the full transcript right there, and on the right side, there's a purple icon, that's the AI chat. All you need to do is just to click the button and start asking questions like what tasks or decisions are still pending after these meetings, and just wait a second, it will give me the answer instantly. Once I'm happy with the answer, I can just click add to note, and it gets saved straightly in the AI summary on the left. Let's think about that. If you have an hour-long meeting or call with your client, you kind of mess up what's the exact number or certain stuff, you can just use AI chat and you will get the answer right away. From there, I can clean it up, edit a bit, or even turn it into a to-do list. No digging, no rewriting. This honestly changed how I deal with meetings. I don't overthink notes anymore. I just ask the question I care about and then move on. If you're using AI in your own workflow, I'd like to know how you're doing it. Drop a comment and I'll see you in the next one.